Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Cordless Cyclone handheld vacuum cleaner Aqua from Silvercrest. It is 2-in-1 dry vacuum and wet mop. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. So many accessories in the box. Screws for mounting at the wall the base, 2 screw holes, the accessory holder, nice, just love it. This is the Gravis nozzle for tight areas, release button, and then we have the 2-in-1 combination brush. For tight areas, you can clean your keyboard, release button, the power adapter with an output 27 volt 800 mAh 21.6 watt power consumption, and the cable length it is 2 meters. Next we have the suction pipe, release button, contacts, 2 contacts here, and here it gives power to the motor. Which motor? This motor, it is the rotary brush. We have soft wheels at the back, 2 large wheels, flexible hose inside, left and right, up and down. I like it. 2 small wheels, soft brush here, inside we have a huge brush. Rotate this plastic and you can remove the brush, clean it as you wish. Transparent inside. And it is very easy to install. Press, rotate, and it locks. Release button, contact plates are coming in contact here. It locks. Beautiful. And then we have the mop attachment, and again flexible hose, left and right, adjustable. It can stand just like that. The release button, same in here. You can install that here. It locks very easy. Here at the front we have the water tank, the ceiling, inside water about 250 ml. To remove the pads, I like the color. Just pull. You can wash them, very easy. Nice. And then install them. That it rotates, I will show you later. Soft pads at the front, 2 small wheels, another 1 small wheel, adjustable. Nice, I like it. Very durable. 5 LEDs on the front. Aqua spin mop. Nice. And of course we have here and the battery. The level indicator for the battery. 24 volt Li-ion 2500 mAh, 60 watt-hours. Soft elements around. 24 volt, 2.5 ampere hours. You can charge the battery directly with a power adapter. You need to use the main unit and install here the battery. And again, you can charge directly at the vacuum with a cable. There's no connection here. You need to use this base, connect here the adapter, and then that, oh sorry, and then that goes here, plug in and start charging the battery. Later I will do that. I will fully charge the battery, release button, and then I will start my test. Obviously you can connect the hose here and it locks. Release button, contact plates are coming in contact and gives power to the front brush for the wet and the dry cleaning. To remove the container, rotate and remove the container. Release button, silicone rubber here and here around, and of course just pull. Remove the stainless steel filter with a EPA filter. Come on, okay, there's the EPA filter. You can wash everything, the container, the EPA filter, the stainless steel filter. No worries. Cyclone technology, you can see the Cyclone technology, okay. And again, press to install the EPA filter, silicone rubber around here. The container, not 100% transparent, on a gray color. The inlet for the dust. Max capacity. Find the correct position, push, and it will lock. Lock and lock again here. Twist and it locks. Ventilation. I like the handle. And of course here at the front we have the buttons. We have the on-off button, the eco and boost button, and the display panel, battery indicator and operating mode. Again, let's install the battery, on off, eco mode, boost, I can directly connect it without the tube. So if I will press the button on off, it spins. 5 LED indicators at the front. Very friendly. Same, and for the wet cleaning, it locks. Five LED indicators at the front. I can't wait to test it. I like it. I have made a video for the oldest model. This is the newest model, better version obviously. And you can have all the accessories here. Very good quality, I like it. There it is. And at any time you can just pull and use. First I will test dry cleaning, but obviously we need to charge the battery. Oh, there it is. The indicator is flashing. When it goes to 3 solid white indicators, that means it's fully charged. So let's wait. The features that impressed me most were the cordless convenience, the ability to handle both dry and wet cleaning tasks, and the lightweight design, which makes it easy to use anywhere in the house or car. If you are looking for a lightweight, grab-and-go cordless vacuum cleaner that can handle dry crumbs under the kitchen table and mop up wet spills at the same time without breaking the bank, this machine is an absolute steal. It eliminates the need to pull out a heavy coated vacuum cleaner and a separate mop for minor daily messes. It's light and incredibly agile, offering exceptional everyday convenience for its price, only 110 euros. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more home appliance reviews, cleaning gadget tests, and practical household tech. Thanks for watching, keep your home clean, stay organized, and I'll see you in the next one.